Happy Holy Sabbath, dear brothers and sisters. Today is a great day to celebrate and say Happy Pastors Month to our beloved leader of Hambil District. This day, Carabao Island shows our deep gratitude for Pastor Eliseo Italia that has been our assigned district pastor since 7 months ago.
Sininga hapon, may programa ang association sa ginatawag naton nga Pastors Appreciation. Pag-isa-isa sa mga elders, sa mga church, ang grupo nga nagkanta sa mga churches man, nagrepresent sa mga churches, hinhiwat subong diri sa Lindero Church sa appreciation sa atong pastor, si Pastor Italia.
The district sent their wonderful greetings for the ministry founded by Pastor Italia. Through expressing their gratefulness for having such a humble and loving district leader. Pastor Italia had also appreciated the surprise program that was held in Lindero Seventh-day Adventist Church, this 15th day of October year 2022. Such a blissful day, dear brethren. I am Carl Faye Pananan from Hambil District, reporting for Romblon Adventist News.